Hey friends, I want to share with you today this shower filtration system. I have used these for years. I live in a small town where we have a cistern type water tower situation, and they chlorinate the water. Now it's fine normally, but when there's weekends, everybody's showering at the same time, holidays, I can smell the bleach and I don't like it. It makes my skin itchy. So in the past, I have used this Rexall Clear Source water filtration system. This bottom one is a energy efficient spigot shower head. But you can see it's definitely got a lot of, well, hopefully you can see it's got a lot of calcification in it. And it's been about, I don't know, maybe a year and a half since I changed this out. I'm going to turn the light so hopefully you can see. And I did take pictures and I'll put them on my blog, but hopefully if I get this just right, you can see in there. Well, I can see in there, but the camera's not picking it up. There is a lot of calcification. So check out my blog, thesecretisgratitude.com, and let me do it closer to the light and see. Maybe this way. There, it's really, really, really orangey and calcified. There you can kind of see it. So it's super, super, let's see if I can focus in on it. For a minute there, I thought maybe it would work. My camera just gets, I don't know, it's brand new, but it's not working. Anyway, it's very, very calcified in there. Normally it's supposed to look black. It's a charcoal filter. So this one is a new one. This one's by Showerwise. I don't know if I've used this one or not in the past. I have these on all my showers. So I don't know. I've used lots of different types in the end. They all seem to come with a spray, stronger spray, or these ones around kind of more like a raindrop kind of a thing. They are dirty when they come because they are charcoal. So the instructions are kind of charcoal-y. This one I found at a secondhand store for $4. They are not normally $4 or a bit more than that. But I want you to know, almost every one I have bought at a secondhand store brand spanking new. So I just keep my eyes out open for this. And I've been lucky, I've always found it. So you unscrew the entire thing off of the shower head, which I have already done. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, so you turn it left to get it off. And when you're putting the thread tape on, it says try it without, it says try it without, but I've had thread tape on there, so you have to clean out in between the grooves pretty well to get it to get the threading up. Now it says be careful not to cross thread when you're putting it on. I may not be able to do this one-handed. I am also right-handed, so trying to turn it one direction. Let me try it. Like I said, I'm right-handed, so let me try it this way. Let me also turn the light on in the shower. And it's still orange. Okay, so you turn it one direction to get it threading, and then you turn it the other direction to tighten it. So it says hand tighten, and also once you get it on, you want to run it before you shower because you will turn black. It'll run the charcoal through, and so just hand tighten it. It doesn't need to be super, super tight, especially with the thread tape. So they give you the thread tape in the kit. It looks like this. And when you're putting the thread tape on, you want to wrap it in the direction that you're going to be tightening it. Against you're tightening it. So I'm turning this way to tighten it, so I ran the thread tape this way because if you put it on the direction you're going to be turning, sometimes it'll glomp up the tape and the tape will actually start coming off. So run the tape in the opposite direction. Now I'm going to turn it on and let you see it comes, it might get wet. It kind of comes out black at first. Oh, but look, you can see where I cleaned off the thread tape. I should probably clean that up. I don't want it going down the drain. So this is all thread tape goo that came out. And it says in the instructions to run the water in between putting this on to get any goo out of the line, but when I took the old head off, a bunch of water came out anyway, so I did not run it in between because water had already come out of it. So let's see if you can see it turning black. And it says run the water hot, so I've got it on complete hot. Sometimes it runs black, other times it hasn't. This one, and they come packaged in plastic. Yeah, it's coming out hot, and it's not running black. It might be a little gray if anything, but I don't even see that it's running. So I will run it more before I finish. Just let it run for a few minutes hot. Comes with the instructions. The box was plastic wrapped. The item itself was plastic wrapped. Some people you might want to put lemon juice and vinegar and try and clean them off. I just think that I find them cheap enough that it's not worth it to me. I'm just going to throw it away. But I guess if you're desperate and you can't find another one, then you could do that. But I'm not too worried about it. So anyway, that's it. It's pretty simple. I did take pictures of the whole process, so check out my blog, thesecretisgratitude.com, and type in shower filtration head or something like that. And up will come the post about this. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.